Alright guys, now that summer is over, we are back to working on the C10. We need to have the brakes, driveline, wiring, paint it, and make a wing for it all before the end of November so we can road trip this thing 8 hours from South Carolina down to Bradenton, Florida for the Cletus and Cars event. I want to enter it in the Burnout contest. So right now we're working on getting the brakes done so that it can roll and put the new wheels on there, and y'all are really going to like those. They're especially going to stand out when we get the truck painted and get the wing on it. So without further ado, let's get to the brakes. Now these brakes here haven't been used in probably 10-15 years, I'm guessing. I think that's how long the truck was sitting. When they pulled it, they had the e-brake set and it was seized up in here. So we're going to try and get this side freed up so that the rotor will go on, get the other side freed up, and once that's done, then we'll get the front on jack stands and get that knocked out. Alright, backs are done. That took a lot faster than I was expecting. So now we need to get the front jacked up, get these wheels off of there, try and get the drums off, get them rolling good, and then we can put the new wheels on and see what it looks like. yeah. Side here doesn't look terrible. You see drums, a lot of trash in them, but other than that, not too bad. Hub's good. So now let's see if we can get her adjusted properly and get the hub back on there. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Good deal. No play in the hub, so we'll get it adjusted and see if it go ahead and fits now. Now that it's been off there. Oh no, we're gonna have to adjust it. Cool. Get this side adjusted and then knock out the other side. Alright, now this side's done as well. You can see it's all dirty here, but other than that, all the springs look there, all the clips are there. Nothing's missing. It's a little weird. But I did end up finding, where is it? There's a crack on it right here. See if we can get you the light. Yeah, there we go. So you can tell it's been cracked for some time. There's rust through the crack. So have to get a new drum for this side and adjust it, but we'll throw it back on there for mock-up purposes for now. So let's get these back up on here and put new wheels on. Alright, brakes are done all the way around the whole truck. All the hubs feel good. Everything spins freely. Pads are all good except we have the one cracked rotor. We'll get a new rotor for, well, new drum for this one side, and everything should be fine and dandy. So now time for the new wheels. Let's see if I could do the old Snapperooski. Man, that looks sick. See if I can get y'all full shot of this thing. So what we have here are some 15 by 10s. Let's see. I think they're 315 60-15s or 315 75-15, something along those lines. I don't have the exact size right here. I'm sure they're on there somewhere. But they're in a 15 by 10 rally wheel that I have painted gold all the way around. Now when I paint the truck, I plan on painting it white. So that'll have it done. This is what come off of there. Instead of bullet hole aluminum 275 60-15, so 15 by 8. So man, those come out nice. I am thrilled with the way that come out. That just looks amazing. Has me that much more motivated to get this thing done. So all 4 wheels spin, everything's good to go. Got all the wheels on. Got one tire that's leaking down there, so I'll take that to the shop and have it fixed. But other than that, man, this is good. So that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, and hopefully in the next episode or two we'll have this thing running, knock out the wiring and a little bit of plumbing, be good to go. So make sure to like and subscribe. If y'all have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and y'all have a blessed day.